quiz and start working on that.
That's fine by me. What does everyone else think?
Yeah, I think that's fine.
Okay. I'm going to say Andrews is going to show up.
Yeah. Hey, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing well.
I'm glad you could make it and you got my email really quick.
Yeah. I know it's always a little confusing. I forget sometimes. I forget to tell students about which email and stuff, or I just forget to email them. So that's partially my fault too.
Yeah, sorry, we were corresponding a little bit, but I usually check my BYU email and not the Gmail one, so sorry about that.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, Andrew, do you use your Gmail account or your BYU one?
I use both, but it's quicker if because it's on my phone. If I use the Gmail,
Okay.
it's a little quicker typically to get a hold of me.
Okay, so we are just going through the quiz and we're on question 3. So it says find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval when the standard deviation is 50 and n equals 25. Round to 3 decimal places.
Okay, so I feel like I used the wrong formula for this one because it says to round for decimal places and I have none. So
Might be a trick.
maybe. I got 20 because I was using we were looking for margin of error, right? Yeah.
Yeah, the margin of error. So we're going to have to go to the normal probability applet and get the z-score for 90%. Which should be 1.645.
Yep.
And then you're going to times that by the standard deviation, which is 50 divided by the square root of 25. So let me get my Excel spreadsheet.
Okay. I didn't incorporate the z-score, so that's probably what it is.
I'm a little confused. Why did we use the z-score? I thought the margin of error was just 2 times the standard deviation divided by the square root of n.
Yeah, that's the formula that I was using.
That's the sample size formula. The margin of error formula is the z-score times the standard deviation divided by the square root of n.
Yeah, you don't have to add or subtract that.
Okay. I must be missing something.
Okay, so I got 16.45 for the margin of error.
Okay.
1.5, 15.
So it would be 16.450. So question 4, which of the following statements is true? Standard deviation squared is an interval estimator of x bar, which is the sample mean. The sample mean is a point estimator of the population mean. The population mean is a point estimator of the sample mean, or the standard deviation is an interval estimator of standard deviation squared.
I'm wanting to say it's the sample mean is a point estimator of
The population mean?
Population mean.
I was thinking.
Okay, that's what I think.
Okay. So we'll go with that for now.
Gina wants to construct a 95% confidence interval for GMAT score. She knows the standard deviation is 113. She collects a simple random sample of 64 and computes sample mean as 526. Use this information for the next 6 questions. What is the point estimate for the true GMAT score? This is 526.
Yep. What's the margin of error?
Question 6. What is the margin of error for 95% confidence interval for that true GMAT score? So go to our normal probability applet. So our z-score should be 1.960 times
Time.
the standard deviation, which is 113 divided by the square root of 64.
Yeah, 27.68 or 69.
1 second. Yep, I got 27.685.
Are we rounding to 3 or what's?
I think it's 3. That's the last number I saw.
Yeah, I normally do 3.
I think we're supposed to do 3 unless it specifies otherwise.
Yeah.
What is the lower limit of this
Okay.
confidence interval?
Lower limit. Minus.
So this one we would just subtract 27.685 from the mean, correct?
I think so.
526.
Or yes, 526.
Is that 498.315?
Yep, 498.315.
And then this one we just, or for question 8, we just add, right?
Yep, then to get the upper, you do 526 plus 27.685. Wrong one. So 553.685. What would happen to the width of this confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size?
It should decrease, right?
Yeah, the margin of error should decrease.
But this is the confidence
Confidence
interval, not
interval.
the.
So the margin of
doesn't-
error gets smaller as the level of confidence grows smaller.
Oh, right.
Yeah, so it should decrease. What would happen to the width of confidence interval if Gina changed it to a 99% confidence interval? Let's do that. It should
Should decrease.
decrease. It should decrease.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
because her confidence interval is higher, so it's more accurate.
Hmm.
Right? So it should decrease.
Yeah.
Okay. Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence interval with a margin of error of 50 hours. What sample size do they need? So that's where we would take z times the standard deviation over the margin of error squared.
Okay, say that again.
That is so the z score. So we want a 95%, which is 1.960 times the standard deviation, which is 400, divided by the margin of error, which is 50, and then all of that is squared. Well, how do I do squared in
In Google.
Excel?
Oh,
Well, I got 245.862. Is that what you got? But we need to round to the nearest whole number. So it would be 246.
okay.
Is that what you guys got?
One.
Yeah, if I did the formula right, then that's what it should be.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. Okay, the mean salary of actuaries is 100,000 and the standard deviation is $36,730. You are interested to know if the mean salary for women actuaries is different from the population mean, but are not sure if it is higher or lower. You set up a hypothesis test with a significance of 0.05, and our null hypothesis is 100,000, and our alternative is not equal to 100,000. You collect a simple random sample of 36 women's salaries and find that the sample mean is 111 or 111,000. What is the lower limit of this 95% confidence interval? Round to the nearest whole number.
Okay.
Okay, so we have to find the margin of error and then subtract it and get the lower and upper limits. So 12 would be
95. That's
1.960. Times, what's that standard deviation? 36, 730,
We got 99,001.53.
Okay, hold on. So for the lower limit,
Yeah.
How did you guys find the z-score? Like, do you use the sample mean thing and the
z-score, so you would go to your normal probability applet, and then you shade the middle, and then you'll type in 0.95.
is that all I had to do?
Yep.
That
I was like
That was
calculating it out, and I was like, wait a second. I don't think
That's
right.
question.
Way to make things complicated, Mitch. Jeez.
Sorry, I keep muting myself so you don't have to endure all the coughing and sneezing and nose blowing.
No, you're good.
You're good. Okay, so Sam, I got 99,001.53.
Yeah, that's what I got.
We have to round, so 99,002.
Yeah, there you go.
Yep.
$95,002. Okay, the upper limit is 122,998.
Okay. And then question 14 should be really easy. Because it says there are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing a confidence interval for a mean. They are,
All
and
the
since
above.
all of those are one answer, I'm guessing it's all of the above.
Okay.
So I'll go ahead and submit and see how we did. Let's see. Oh, I think I may have typed one or two in wrong. Oh, okay. So we missed, or I missed at least, number 10. So what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed it to 99% confidence?
Okay.
The answer is not decrease.
Yeah, I questioned that one.
And then what did you guys get for number 12? Was it 99 or 95? I can't remember what it was.
Number 12.
It's 99.
90,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
99.
So that was probably my bad. I typed in 95. Oh,
I probably said it wrong. I'm sorry.
no. I had calculated it too, and I second guessed myself.
I'm pretty sure.
I was like, oh, they said 95. Okay. So that one's probably right, because that's what I had gotten to was 99. And that is the
What did
only
you
other.
guys get for number 5?
For number 5, we got 526. Because it's just the X with the bar over it.
The sample mean.
Oh, okay, I see.
I know. I had to write all the names of these down because the X bar, I need to know what I say.
X bar.
Well, I figured I'd take this online anyways. If I sound ridiculous talking to myself about it, that's fine.
Okay, so the 99% confidence interval, we need to look at that one again.
Yep.
Okay, we need to think through this here.
I'd say would increase.
To the width, should we calculate it?
I mean, I can't imagine it would stay the same. But we can do that.
2.576.
Wait, I'm sorry. Which question are you looking at? I thought we were looking at 10.
That is 10. I'm just calculating it based on what I put these into here to look at the.
Oh, okay, okay. I see.
Yeah, you're right. It will. So the margin of error will increase. Your confidence interval should increase. Okay.
Okay, and 12 was 99,002, right?
Yep. $99,002.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna submit mine. Yes. Go ahead.
What was number 4?
Okay, we're good. So it is number 10 is increase. Number 4.
X bar is a point estimator of the sample mean.
The sample mean is a point estimator of the
Of the
population mean.
Or population mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yep.
Sample
But I
mean
like
is
X
X.
bar. I think we're keeping it.
X bar. I like that too.
That's X bar is a point estimator of U. I don't even.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Of
Okay.
you.
It looks like an upside down H.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I
Mu
can't
is the
remember.
name of it.
Oh, is that it?
Mu, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you're right.
Not you, it's mu.
I was trying to remember what the Greek name for it was, but
I think that's what the guy says in the little tutorial video.
sure, we'll go with that then.
Anders, that's not you giving those tutorial videos, is it?
Wait, what?
What
was that?
Sure, you were there.
I don't think I haven't done any tutorial videos yet, so you can't blame me.
Okay.
Okay. All right, Sam, did you get them all?
Yeah, I just have to do, because I clicked on 4 wrong for some reason. I did the U as a point estimator of X bar. I did it backwards.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, guys. See you on Thursday.
Yep.
See ya.
Have a
Bye.
good night.
Bye.